So y'all, I'm going to show my affection to Jasper Hales by singing the Jasper Hales song made by Annie. Here we go. Jasper, Jasper, he has the grasper of hotness. The hotness monster, he's no monster cause he's a super fantastic, greatly awesome, freaking dazzling, sexy, hot, unique, amazing, cute, awesome, cute, freaking, did I mention hot vampire? He's a super fantabulous, super extraordinary, amazing Jasper Hales. Repeat that last line. Oops, sorry. He is a super fantabulous, super extraordinary, amazing Jasper Hales. Jasper's the grasper of sexiness. Screw Edward Cullen. Jasper's so great on a day would be awesome. He is better than Coke, better than Guitar Hero, better than you, better than Joseph, better than Pete Wentz. If I said that, he must be awesome. Repeat that thing I messed on about Jasper. Oops, sorry again. He is a super fantabulous, super extraordinary, amazing Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales. I think during this whole song, I forgot to mention how hot he was. Annie, yes you did. Oh, let me rub it in their faces again. Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales, Jasper Hales. Annie, shut up, just die already. Jasper, shut up!